If you're health conscious but still having cravings for something, you can try this sweet pancake. There is no plain flour, no extra oil, no refined sugar, and not anything that can break your healthy routine, even though it has one ingredient that is good for digestion. So let's start this recipe. First of all, we will add Jaggery into water and leave it until it completely dissolves into water. After this process, you will get sweet water. That looks like this. You can strain it if you want to remove our dirt, but I am using packed Jaggery here, so there is no need to do this step as it already clean. At this point, I added Carom seeds, which helps for better digestion. According to Indian mythology, this is one of the life-saving herbs, and they called it Sanjivani, from where it gets its name, Ajwain. Now add wheat flour into this water and mix it. Make sure to add little amounts of flour at once, just to get perfect consistency. Look at this consistency. This is the best texture and thickness for this recipe. No, I added little more carom seeds. Mix it well. I am using simple tawa to make sweet pancake. You can use non-stick pan too. I am going to use olive oil for this. You can use any oil that you would like to use. Now add few drops of oil onto pan and spread the batter on the tawa. Try to give it round shape, or any shape can work. Let it cook from one side to flip it easily. Add few drops of oil to the edges of pancake. Look at the color, it is amazing. Let it cook nicely from other side. For this, you can press this with slightly hands, just to make sure that there is no raw taste left into this. Flip it one more time and look, it is just perfect.
This is so simple and easy dish to make and support your cravings for sweet without any guilt. If you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe my channel for more easy, tasty, and budget-friendly recipes. I upload at least 3 to 4 different recipes every week. Do not to miss subscribe my channel and like my videos. Hey friends, I would like to request to all of you please leave your comments on my videos.
Here you go. Or super simple, super tasty, and no sugar, no maida, no oil sweet pancakes are ready to satisfy sugar craving without guilt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bye!